GSP must get stripes on their jerseys and X marks on their cars to get these guys in the Chargers, especially with what you're about to see.
Yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy. Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back. You're going to get it again. You're going to get it again. Put your hands behind your back. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy.
It's wild. He cut across traffic, 2 lanes, almost got hit behind a Civic to catch this Dodge Charger up the exit.
367 Atlanta to 38. Tom Frank.
It's an older body style Charger.
4284 white Charger.
And it's crazy because he hasn't taken off. Just a normal stop. You can see gas stations off the exit. Probably going to turn in right there, right? Looks like he's about to do a switcheroo. See, this is where it is considered fleeing and eluding. Once you go to stop, they turn the lights on and you keep going. It is now fleeing and eluding. So if you didn't know that, now you know. And he's doing it in the middle of traffic. Like, this is, you can see the license plate. This must be a V6. I don't hear the car. He's not. Yeah, this. If you're in a V6, why would you run? Help me understand. Why would you run in general? Unless you're willing to pay lawyer fees, eat off trays, and be in a cell, right? Oh, now he's taking off. Still not going anywhere. This is RT versus RT. This is a GSP Charger versus a GSP Charger. This is an even game. Better driver's gonna win. I already hit a car. Literally in the city of Atlanta, like potholes. You can't even get on the highway to take off. It's getting bumpy too with all the hills. Just passed another police officer. Oh yeah, he's definitely gonna have help. It's I know exactly where he is right now. Again, I used to live in Atlanta. He's back road. He's about to wreck. Oh, it's over. He wrecked. He wrecked. It's over. Can't even control the V6 or the RT Charger. Come on, man. Come on, man. All the smoke, it gets real hectic. Oh yeah, he had help too. GSP is not playing. You know anything about GSP? They don't play, man. They do not play. You ain't got no choice but to get out on foot. Why do you run in an older body style Charger? Oh, he's about to be at somebody's house. What's up with all the videos ending up at somebody's house? Oh, you got people on the porch? Oh, you about to get him.
Yeah, buddy. Yeah,
ooh.
Buddy. Yeah,
Straight tase. You hear the cop. I promise you, GSP must get stripes on their jerseys and little marks on their cars every time they get one of them. I promise you, they hunt Scat Packs and Hellcats down in Atlanta. GSP. A slow-mo is crazy.
Yeah, buddy.
Tased them.
Yeah, buddy.
Lesson 1. Don't play with GSP. Lesson 2.
Put your hands behind your back.
Don't run.
You're going to get it again. You're going to get it again. Put your hands behind your back.
That's cool. I always say that's crazy. I got to take that out of my vocabulary.
Oh, I got dirt all in my eyes.
I know.
He got caught in less than 5 minutes. That's like a no chase at all, man. Like what is going on? And the people are just chilling there on the porch.
Way up there.
Yeah, I got you. Put them on.
Let's see who they got. There was only one that ran, so probably just a driver. You could tell he was not a good driver. Definitely not shout out to you. Pick them up quick too.
1095, 1039, S51 arrest.
Can't say it enough. Don't play with GSP. There's 3-4 officers over here, man.
Hold on. Let me get pictures of that
Tripping.
taser. Stay right here for me, my man.
Tripping.
Turn around. Face the car. Face the car. Face the car.
Let's talk about something.
Stay right.
Let's answer this question. Should you run from GSP? Can you guys see that? Right. First answer. Never. Are you ready to be locked up? Do you have lawyer money? If so, do what you want. Don't play with GSP.